Help! Help! Save me! I suppose you're wondering why I'm afraid of mice. Well, you would be too if you knew what happened. It all started many years ago on a dark, stormy night. This was no ordinary weak little baby who was left on that doorstep. No, sir! Day by day, he grew stronger and stronger. It seems as if this baby could never get enough to eat. He was forever startling his parents with new feats of strength. Yes, he even flew.
He ain't no ordinary mouse. He's a mighty mouse.
Yes, from that day on, he was known to all his friends as Mighty Mouse. He had muscles of steel. His speed was astounding. He could do the work of 1,000 mice in 1 second. His fame spread throughout the world. In South Africa. At the North Pole. In China. He soon became the terror of all cats. We searched for a champion to defeat him, and at last we found him. A giant cat! What a monster he was! just made cowards of us all. Ooh, if I could ever get my hands on him, I'd...